She's talking about Moo Moo. We're here at Rooms to Go, and here's Kelsey. She loves this bed. Look at that. Can you imagine having this kind of a bed?
Moo. Moo. Kelsey. Kelsey. Get a kiss. Get a kiss.
Here she comes. Here she comes. Ready? One. Here we go. Ready? One. Go!